Hey everybody, Baysinger here, and welcome back to another episode of Throwing Every Disc Possible. Today I have the JUN, I'm not sure exactly how to pronounce that, from Yikun Discs or Yikun Discs, however you want to pronounce that. This is a distance driver with the flight numbers 11.5 -12. It is in a baseline plastic, but I'm going to give it a toss and see how it flies. This is the Tiger line plastic. Very flat top, like the stamp. Not as much turn as I was expecting because it's in a baseline plastic, but all right, there it is. That is it for this episode. Please consider leaving a comment below and hit subscribe for more videos just like this.